Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry Fago. Fuck gold and we straight to the sun.
Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get a hell yeah, yeah? Can I get a hell yeah, yeah? Can I get a hell yeah, yeah? Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get a hell yeah?
Hi! Welcome to my channel. Heart is the heart-hearting. It's the heart-hearting. I know. Okay, so today it'll be something real simple, real slight, real light. I'm finna do my hair. You know what I'm saying? You hold on. Girl, Bethany always wanna do too much. Girl, back up a little bit. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. But okay. Doing too much, per usual. But today we'll be starting this hair from Miss Megalook hair. Okay. So pretty much that's what we're gonna do today. So, you know, kick back, relax, grab a snack. Not even gonna lie, I got these new tweezers from the hair store. Girl, look at you. Hold on, do you see the grabbage? Can you see? Is it gonna show it? No, that's fine. The grabbage on this thing is immaculate. That's why you need to get hair stuff from the hair store. Cause I think the tweezers I had previously, I got them from Walmart. Do not get hair stuff from Walmart. Get hair stuff from the hair store. Thank you. All right, so anyway, I used to pluck the lace. If you can't see it, you need to see it right now. You'll see when it's on my head. But I used it to pluck the lace, right? Girl must have plucked like 4 holes in it. Is it still gonna lay down? Absolutely. So does it really matter? Absolutely not. But yeah, that's it. You know, do your hair with me, you know, watch, learn something from this. Stop it! Bethany is so run down. Say cheese. Say cheese, wait, say cheese. Period. Oh my God, thumbnail? Possibly. All right, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. Dang, neck loose. She got on my nerves. Anyway, so yeah, sit back, do your hair, watch, learn something, go back, grab a snack, do your homework. I know you got that math assignment. I know that algebra hard, that geometry hard, that calculus is hard. Go ahead and pull that out. Go ahead and pull that out right now. Yeah, they gave me a nice little goodie bag. Got little clips and stuff in it. A nice edge brush, some lashes, some minks, and a nice stocking cap. I already have one on. Girl, I done worn this stocking cap for the last 3 weeks. Okay, that's enough talking. All right, can we get to the wig? Can we do the wig now? Yes, we can. All right, let's go. See, cause at first I was like, I literally said to myself earlier, I was like, I don't even like side parts for real. But I like this side part for real. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't even think I'm finna like part it for realsies. I really like this. I like this. I like straight hair so much. I like this hair so much. I feel so adult. Like, I don't know. In movies, you can always tell when people have grown up because they get highlights. Period. Also, link to this hair and all of the, what's it called? And all the details and stuff will be in my description box below. So, you know, get like me. Wee. TD.
More 6 months later.
complain, I'm the one.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. Put a nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start, so make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a nigga, beat the charge. Tack down, and the play marshal. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with no. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick on my, stick on my, stick on. How you want it, nigga? Full of the semi. Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin'.
Okay, these contacts starting to irritate the girl's eye. Please tell me when my camera died. Are we surprised? We shouldn't be. So that happened. I did justice. I did Miss Thing justice. And I would like to say that one thing about me, I'ma eat every single time. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm done. So here's the hair. The hair is from Megalook hair. Like I said, all the details and everything will be in the description box below if you want to get like me. That's about wraps today's video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I'll see you the next time I decide to get cute, and I do mean drop dead gorgeous fine in front of y'all. Bye. I love you. Are we gonna kiss or kissing?